Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trendalore. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. This is a channel that talks about skincare, lifestyle, and lifestyle tips. So feel free to check out our previous videos, and I'm sure you're going to see something that you love in there. Whilst you're doing that, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Guys, we're in 6,000 subscribers. I'm super excited. The reason why I'm not showing the excitement is because if I look here, yeah, I'll be happy but it's like when I look here, I'm talking to you guys. So that's why my head is. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. So I'm shooting this video the same day as the previous video. So I don't know if I'm going to give a shout out. I'll just do it randomly. So, but for the first 3 persons to comment, I'm going to be giving a shout out to them. So today I'm just going to give a review on this. This is Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream. So this is the face cream. This is the face cream. So this product actually has 3 facial creams. This is just the normal face cream. I think this one is the moisturizing cream. It contains hyaluronic acid. So it brightens and anti-aging face cream. So it's a deep moisturizer. Yeah, so this one is actually the moisturizer, which can be used anytime, a day. Then there is the morning face cream. There is the night face cream as well. Before I get into this, today's shout out goes to. Anyways, I'm going to be looking here because this is where I feel I'm seeing myself. Yeah. So I'm seeing myself here like this. Anyways, I don't know. Guys, bear with me, I beg. So, yeah, like I said, this is the one for day, night, and then there's the one for morning. There's the day, night cream, there's the day cream, and then there's the night cream. The night cream works extra hard. So one thing about vitamin C, like vitamin C is one very great ingredient in skincare. They call it the ultimate ingredient in skincare when it comes to hyperpigmentation, melasma, and all those stuff. But can vitamin C face cream do the work on its own just like that? The answer is yes, but it's going to be extremely, extremely, extremely slow. Okay, so it's going to be very, 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 very slow to work. So this I actually bought and then I tried. I first of all talked about Body Shop. I bought Body Shop that time, vitamin C, and I put my picture on the community post. That was some time ago. That thing damaged my skin and it was gone. And then I got this and I said, let me try this. And I don't know. I don't think all these things are for me because my skin is very picky and it wasn't good. I gave it to my sister and my sister was like, no, she doesn't like it either. So we just had to let's just, but in as much as it's not good for me, it doesn't mean it's not going to be good for any other person. I know there are some people that have used it and this thing was so very good for them. So if you've used this, leave your comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me how this thing was on your skin, okay, on your face. And then they have the whole lot of product. They have the face wash, they have the cleanser, they have the facial serum, day facial serum, night facial serum as well. So I think for you to I always talk about there's a reason they always create facials or serums alongside with lotion. It's because that serum or that oil is an activator for the lotion. But sometimes some people just feel, oh, I'm just going to go with the oil or the serum alone. But most people tend to mix. I feel the reason they do that is because, yeah, like I said, some people just want the serum or the oils, or some people just prefer oil than cream to cream, or some people actually, or yeah, it's market strategy. Like, why will I put all the ingredients in here when I can make another extra money doing or making another production? So it does happen like that. So I feel if you add the serum, mix it with this, is going to be perfect. And then also you have to treat from the inside. One thing about vitamin C supplement is that you have to have an overdose of it before it starts working. I've had a whole lot of questions. People asking me if I take supplement. I don't, not yet though. Some people complain about taking supplement and then did not work for them. Even the injection did not work and all. Those things need to be or need to have an overdose in your system before it starts working. It starts working for you. Doesn't mean you should give up. Take vitamin C. The gram of vitamin C you have to take in a day is 1,000 grams. I have one little vitamin C here that I just got, but yeah, I don't know. It's still there. I've not taken it. Okay. Anyways, so guys, the this one did not work for me. Leave your comment down if you've used it and it worked for you. Let me know if it worked for you so that just leave your comment so that other people that are seeing it will be able to know if to get it or not. For a moisturizer, will I advise this? It depends on your skin. I'm not going to, it did not work for me. Doesn't mean it's not going to work for you. Everybody's skin differs. So it did not work for me. And I noticed like my face was kind of like dark, like bone, like oil like this. Yeah, my real skin color was showing, but some areas it was not just working really well for me. So I had to abandon it, and that was before I now made my glow oil, and yeah, so I'm happy with that, and that's what I'm using. So you can look into it, you can get the whole set, it's going to work. In the meantime, it's not going to show improvement, but if you use it in the long run, it's going to work. But many of us have that patience. We like something that when we start buying, we'll start using it, and then we'll start seeing improvements there. But for this, you're not going to see improvement for like I think like the fifth bottle, you start seeing little signs of improvement. But yes, people do mix this to activate something like this. You need to add something like kojic acid in there to activate a vitamin C serum. So that's just how it's going to work out. Okay. So basically, this is it. It's a very good moisturizer. You can get this and then the night, or you can get the face. The face contains SPF, so you can get the face the day one. Day face cream contains SPF. You can get that one. Then the night, you can get that one as well for those looking for facial cream. Okay, but I did not get a good review from it. Don't bash me. I'm not spoiling anybody's product. I'm just giving my own review on my own take. This is something I tried and see now. So something I tried. I didn't even use it like anyway. It wasn't even full. So I gave my sister and then it wasn't still good for her. And another problem I feel like when I was buying it, I knew I was going to face was the fact that it contained dimeticoin. I've talked about dimeticoin. Dimeticoin is a product that makes, you know, this creams like very moisturizing. They use it especially in conditioner, to just give you that very see that very smooth, fine, and then it smells very well like vitamin C as well. So you see, so it's actually not bad, but as soon as I saw that dimetico, I was like, yeah, okay, so I'm going to have problem with this. Is the reason why I goji berry face cream. I did a review on it. Goji berry is also very good, but it wasn't for me as well because it contained dimetico. I think I got for me and my sister. My sister gave her own out, and the person she gave it to used it and she was perfectly fine. Her skin was really nice. But for us that reacts to dimeticoin, we could not use it. I don't even know where I kept mine or I threw it out. I really don't know. So guys, the struggle. I miss those days where you can just get up and just don't care. But now everybody wants to look pinch and we are getting there. Anyways, guys, hope this video was useful. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. If you're new and you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Guys, please watch my ads now. Watch my ads like at least 30 seconds before you skip. Okay? Thank you guys so much. I really do love and appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I say thank you Don't forget, first three comments get shout out in the next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.